ऐसे कफन दुलाश को गुर्बत नसीब बाबा मैं आज तुमसे ज्यादा गरीब हूँ रोकर बनी असद के कबीले को दी सदा लाशे हुसैन मिलके इकट्ठा करो जरा उतरे लहद में शाहती बीमार करबला
Good evening, everybody. Firstly, I would like to express my gratitude to the organizer who has invited me here and given me an opportunity to speak with you. So I always see, there are the two broad problems in our life. One is a natural disaster, and we cannot do much. Another one is the problem that we human beings have created by ourselves. So if you look at that category problem, all these problems, is happening because we are lacking of love, or we are lacking of the intelligence. Or some people, they are very, very short-sighted. Short-sighted. So in order to, bring equality, we need to develop compassion. And I want to say in my life, I always meditate. And I always think that all the sentient beings is like me. All of you like me. I always meditate there. I want happiness, and you also want happiness. I don't want suffering, and you also don't want suffering. We are all equal. And I have a right to achieve happiness. You also have a right to achieve happiness. And I have a right to remove the suffering. You also have a right to remove the suffering. I always think this every single morning. And if you look at the problem, sometimes people, they get frustrations. They become hopeless. Okay, but if you look at the problem from one angle, then of course, it is a bad thing for us. It gives us pain and suffering to us. But if you look from the another angles, if you look the problem from a wider perspective, then you can see there are opportunities. There are so many chances there. I give you an example. His Holiness the Dalai Lama, he came to India to do the practice of patience. Even the Buddha, we cannot do the practice of patience towards the Buddha. Buddha doesn't harm you. Okay. So for the enemy, that particular person will harm you and give you an opportunity to do the practice of patience. Okay. So enemy is a true teacher to do the practice of patience. Okay. That is I wanted to share. And today that we don't have a unity because we don't have inequality. I always share to the people that there are four things we have compromised in our life. Four things. First thing is, individual with, community. In early times, people talk about the community. Today, everybody talk about individual. And another thing that, in early times, people talk about the cooperation. Today, we are talking about the competition. Okay. And early times, people talk about the responsibilities. But today, we are talking about the right.
Kora sangi de